Alright, so as you can see, this is Razer Blade 15 and the film protector on the top, which is absolutely fine. Unfortunately, you can see the logo, but that's not the problem. The problem is the GPU fan is broken. Alright, so there are two fans, one for the CPU, another one for the GPU, and one of them broken, make a lot of sound, huge sound. It's like kind of aircraft, and then the overheating issues does happen. Anyway, those are the replacement. I got it from online. There are two types of fan, one for CPU, one for GPU. Looks same but not the same. Alright, the shape is little bit different, so if you order one, you have to know which one you need to replace, the CPU or the GPU. Alright, but I would suggest, if you want to replace the fan, get the whole package, contain tools, and that would be absolutely brilliant. But I found in most cases for Razer Blade 15, always the GPU fan get broken. The reason is, when you use big application or gaming or something like that, it put a lot of pressure into the GPU rather than CPU. So first we're going to take out all the screws. You should have the pentalobe screwdriver, and then we'll disconnect the battery, pull out the broken old fan, CPU and GPU both, and we'll install the new one and we'll see what happens. Let's go for it. See? This one make, let me show you the noise again. But when I do CPU one, it doesn't make sound. Alright, so first we're gonna disconnect the battery. That's the first thing. There is a long flex and very small tip. It's very difficult to pull this out, so I have to take out this tape and disconnect the battery before you try anything else into this motherboard. By the way, you heard the noise from the GPU fan, okay, which is terrible. So that is disconnected. Now we're going to take out one by one and replace both.